walked by the tomb of Buddha, looked inside and saw his bones. I traveled on to see Mohammed, still wrapped up in his grave clothes. But then I journeyed to a garden where old Joseph left him lay, precious Lamb, God's own begotten, was no longer in that grave. If you knew him like I know him, you would know that he's alive. If you felt him like I feel him, resurrection deep inside, you know he's living and death has died. If you're wandering in the darkness, come and step into the light. Nail-scarred hands reach out to help you, pull you safe from death to life. Friend, I too have stood right where you stand. How could I trust in things unseen? But just one step in his direction, in love he ran to me. If you knew him like I know him, you would know that he's alive. And if you felt him like I feel him, resurrection deep inside, you know he's living and death has died. You ask me how I know he lives. He lives within my heart. If you felt him like I feel him,